Oh, is that the water bottle?
No, he's booze bottles right next to the building. It's still got some in it.
But we know he's not going far then, right?
See if I can have an available squad roll this way. I just booked the comp and the individual still in payment.
Well, we're going to work about another 15 minutes here, which will bring us, that'll make it sort of, what do we work? 1:45 to 4:45, a little 3-hour jaunt.
Yeah.
I'm going to send you
I lost
like
it.
He's going into the store.
137th Street East.
Just went into the store on the side.
We'll be back Friday.
Center.
Oh.
Now, cops are coming to do a trespass. They're currently on 7th Street. No one's currently
Did
fighting.
they just steal something?
I don't know. He's definitely running. Yes, this guy be stole something.
Copy, thank you.
Did he just steal something out of there? What did he take?
What did he say?
2755. This guy just supposedly stole something out of the market. Took off running back eastbound again. Looks like the staff got the property back from him.
Let's figure out exactly what he took.
What'd he take?
Jack Mail stole something from the market right in Winnipeg.
Yeah, he's.
Bring it over here. Let's show us what he took. What did he take?
This, yo,
Hot pickle and some popcorn bags. What's the value
he
of that?
just keep on, man. He just keep on coming in the store.
What's the value of that?
Shit, I don't know what it is, man.
Oh,
just tell
it's
him
about $20.
Yeah,
$5, okay.
that's good. Just tell him, man.
Is that all he took?
That's all he took.
You had to chase him, huh? All right.
That's
Just tell me.
What's that?
Tell me it took $20 worth of stuff. Staff recovered it.
2755. He stole about $20 worth of merchandise. The clerk chased him down and recovered it. Now he's walking back eastbound.
Copy, 6231.
Arcade, a vehicle pulled up and a party got out of a gray sedan.
That's on yours. 3.
278 Tango. 278 Tango. Was going to assist on a DOC 179 Roby Street. As Wilson Center staff is present, there's 2 skateboarders in the parking lot.
362 against stage of Tango's call.
So we're gonna let St. Paul make the decision what they got. But you still see him or not?
No.
Go at 295, you want to do that?
Squad 361 Tango.
295, we're actually going to be on the detail real quick. Cover that.
Cancel 362, we'll go.
You must be able to see him down there.
362 clear.
You gotta be around, right? Or he's sitting on the ground.
278 Tango, we're going to be trying to make contact with the individual on the stick.
Oh, there.
Got the attempted contact you did here.
Who's the we? Oh, they're coming down.
33.
Oh, they're coming down to make contact.
I'd drive if it was me.
You and I would drive, of course. It's a,
Got me on Winnipeg heading west.
good. How are you, sir? Yeah, thank you. Well, this will be interesting.
Copy on outbound when ongoing issue is 233.
Everybody in the neighborhood is gonna have their phones going on.
He has to get a couple officers in front of him.
That's what you told them. What do we got on your
A
end?
couple options that could go in front of this guy to.
What do we got? DOC or just the theft? Okay, yeah. Well, he should go somewhere, but you got. Yeah, no, I think you should. He's gonna.
Hopefully we can get him some medical.
At least you got the theft.
Right, He's got a bottle of liquor in his hand. He's going to the rear of the address, or trying to.
He's jumping the
Yeah, going
fence.
to the rear of that.
Yeah.
Oh, he's sitting on the fence.
Run down the alley. Can you get me some, Pat?
Yep.
He did steal the food. I'm gonna go to this alley because
A female is walking northbound out of the building at 1635.
keep an eye out. There, he's right there. See?
Yep.
Right in our alley. How's it look behind us? Any kids?
You're good.
You
Yeah,
sure?
you're in the back.
Yep.
Gonna be for medical investigator. Yeah, he's wanted for medical.
They're just about on him.
Oh, we look.
Easy, easy, easy. You're clear. Okay, they got
Happy
him.
gave it a ticket in custody. What's the location?
Well, we should have sat in the alley. Better than same.
Atwater, we're on the north side of the street.
Yeah, if you want to wait at water.
There they are.
162 Tango, rear advised, 612.
207, coming out.
183 Tango.
278, so we have medics respond to Atwater and Hardenberg.
Yeah, we'll get started.
You start over to 951.